There we go. Yeah, there it is. Pinuputol ko na itong matataas na yaka. Nataniman ko ng panibagong ano. Baka mga fruit tree lang ay tanim ko dyan. Yung mga dwarf. Kasi ito mataas na maigi. At saka ang puno niya eh masyadong lumalaki. Sisirain nito yung aking ano. Yan, yung garden boxing na yan. Kasi masyadong lumalaki na yung kanyang puno, yung ugat. Tutulak yung mga tabla sa tabi. Oh. Tulad yan, laki na. Yan. Kaya unti-unti ko nang pinuputol siya. This is my hedge cutter. So this is used for trimming hedges. And it's got a special attachment. Chainsaw attachments. Yeah, you can cut maybe 200 millimeter thick of tree trunk, or more than that. Yeah, but it's gonna put too much pressure on the belt on the machine. So you rather use a handheld chainsaw if you're cutting a big diameter of tree trunk. But this one will do, because that yucca tree is got a soft wood, so this is okay. To change the attachment, all you have to do is loosen up the two screw, this one and the other one, and then you can pull it out. Then you can attach any attachment that's compatible with this cutter. So yeah, all you have to do is line up that knob into the hole of the attachment, and then you have to make sure that it's straight. And then all you have to do is tighten up this screw. Actually it's a 4 screw. Tighten up that one, and this one you have to do it like an opposite side. And the other one, tighten it up, but don't tighten it up too much, too tight, because it might break that metal thing, because this is not like hard metal. Yeah. If you don't have anyone to help you in putting a rope up that tree to pull it down, you can improvise. This is what I wish. I use this and throw it up the top and let it drop up on the other side. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna throw it in between those two branches, and I let it drop on the other side and pull it. Now I got the rope in between those branches, and I'm gonna pull it tight. And then take it on the other side of the fence. Take it there. So I'll go around the other side of the fence, and then there's the rope. Now I'm going to pull the string, the rope. I pull the rope. I'm gonna pull it tight. See how it is shaking? Yeah, I'm gonna pull it tight, and then I'm gonna tie it. I made the wedge cut on the side of that tree trunk. So if you want the feet all down, you have to cut a wedge. Normally you have to cut a little bit on the other side, but I'm only by myself, so I can just pull it, and then it will break on where the wedge is cut. So I'll show you where the wedge is. Yeah, that's the wedge. So when I pull it down, it's gonna break on that wedge. Yeah. So that's how you do it. I don't know if you see the wedge, but there it is. That's the wedge cut. It's very hard making a video by yourself and doing another thing. So what I'm gonna do is just pull the rope tight, and then just do it slowly. So let's see how it's gonna pull down. So it's supposed to pull down on where I am. So let's see if it's gonna work. Just shake it. Oh, it's hot. Need to put more pressure. And need two hands to take it down. It's hard. Have to put my camera down. Let's see if it's gonna work. Hopefully it's gonna work. I just need to pull the rope tight and just shake it. Okay, here we go. I go. Yeah, there it is. It fell where I want to. Good job. Good job for an old man. Yeah, you need to be make some improvise. You need to improvise. Now I have to cut them up. I'm gonna get ready for that. I have another 2 big ones to go, but maybe next time. I'm already feeling tired. And also I have to cut some of this trunk. Yeah. A lot of work to do. You have a big garden. Okay. You just have to make it safe for yourself. Especially if you're an old man. Just think of a safe way to do your job. And you'll be okay.